welcome to my vlog. Mag-yoga kami ngayon guys with the ladies.
Let's start on hands prayer here. Let's close our eyes, concentrate on our breathing. Inhale deeply and long exhalation. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Be mindful of our practice today. And let us set an intention for ourselves, for our community. Let the heat in your palm and then put it in our eyes. Circle your palms on your hand, on your eyes, and then going down on your nape, shoulder, and back. And put your hands on your facing you. And good morning, ladies. Right hand on the side. Just on your side, and then walk your hands slowly away from you and bend to the right side. Warming up the left side of our body. Breathe, don't forget your breathing. Long inhalation and deep exhalation. Come back to center. Left hand on your right knee, right hand at the back, and just squeeze over to the right side. Look over your right shoulder here. Stay long. Side of the mat, right hand up. Hold your left ear and pull your head towards the right side. Breathe. Slowly come back to center. Exchange your feet. This time, the left foot over your right hand. And left hand on the mat. Right hand up. Slowly walk your left hand away from your body and then towards the left side. Stay there. You can bend your elbow if you want to, just a bit. We're just warming up here. 5. And come back to center. Right hand, left knee, left hand at the back, and come back to center. Okay, right hand on the mat, left hand up, hold your right ear and pull your head towards the left side. Make sure your shoulders are in line with the other one still. And come back to center and down. Walk your hands. Pero ang gagalaw muna is yung hips. And then you will feel the stretch on your spine. Agoy! Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Stay. Masakit. And breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back to center. Okay, from here. Inhale, hands up. Elongate your spine. And hold your shin muna. Shin. Naka-elongate pa rin ang spine. And slowly walk your hands towards your feet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly come back up. Good. Okay. Right hand sa may outer part ng paa nyo. Okay.
Ang haba ng paa ko.
Okay. And just keep on twisting your body to the left side. Okay. Kung kaya, left hand up and put it at the back. 5, 4. Look over your hands. 3, 2, 1. And come back to center. And come back up. Dito muna tayo. And this time, left hand, twist your body to the right side muna tayo. Okay, from here, right hand sa may knee or sa may thigh. Sa may thigh na lang. In between your right thigh. Okay, from here, right hand up and slowly go down and try to touch your and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and slowly come back up and okay, the other side. Sa kabila tayo.
Ay, yes. Ay, hindi ko na mauna.
You can ano ba yan? Pwede yung
Shake
galawin,
your legs.
shake your legs muna. Inhale, hands up. Elongate the spine. Pag andito na kayo kasi elongate nyo na yung spine nyo and slowly sa hips kayo mag-bend and slowly hold your shin or your feet. Diba? And elongate more. Shoulder at the back. And slowly, tummy muna ang bababa. Tummy. Down with your tummy. Slowly. Look forward, Rodski. Inhale and exhale. Down more. Inhale. And exhale down more and stay wherever you are. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and slowly come back up. Left hand. Hold your right outer foot. Elongate your spine. Don't drop your shoulder down. Inhale and exhale. Right hand forward and slowly twist. Look over your right hand. Okay, feet up.
30 degree, 90 degree. Agoy.
Last one. And inhale and exhale. 60 degrees down. And 30 degrees down, down. Stay. And up 90 degrees. And 60 degrees down. And 30 degrees down. And up. Last one, 60 degrees. And 30 degrees. At isa pa. And slowly put down your feet on the mat.
Kala ko relax talaga to.
Okay, open your legs mat size muna. And palms facing the sky. Just be thankful for your practice today. Hands on prayer. Inhale, hands up. And twist to the right side. Exhale. Come back to center. Inhale, hands up. And exhale, twist to the left side. Come back to center. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands up. Bow down on your hand. Thank you, lady.